Abrasive jet machining. This machine comes under the classification of mechanical. Principle of AGM. Abrasive jet machining works on the principle of abrasive erosion. Here, the workpiece material is removed by the mechanical abrasion action of high velocity abrasive particles. So basically, workpiece material is removed by mechanical abrasion action, and it is because of high velocity abrasive particles. It is typically used to cut, clean, pin, deburr, deflash and etch glass, ceramics or hard metals. So how this machine works, let's see the diagram. Usually we take one container, and in that container we place an abrasive. These abrasives we used in this machine are Al2O3, that is aluminum oxide, or SiC, silicon carbide. These are the artificial abrasives. The natural abrasives are sand, emery, quartz, and the size of abrasive we take generally 25 macrons, and when it is flow, the flow rate is 3 to 20 gram per minute. On below of this container we attach the vibrator. A gas supply is provided into the abrasives, and gas pipe is connected through a gas supply. A filter is provided for unwanted particle and moisture. It means that if you use air, there is unwanted particles and moisture also. To filter that moisture and unwanted particle, we provide the filter. A pressure gauge is kept after the filter. The average pressure required, gas or air pressure required, is 2 to 8 kg per centimeter square. A regulator placed after the pressure gauge. Another deliver pipe system is attached. At the end of this pipe, a nozzle is fitted. The material of the nozzle is tungsten carbide or sapphire, and shape is circular, and diameter of this nozzle is 0.3 to 0.5 mm. Workpiece is kept below this nozzle. Now, when we supply the gas, this gas enter into the abrasives, and because of the pressure in the gas, this abrasive start floating, and there is a vibration. Vibrator is provided below the this chamber, which vibrates, and due to these both actions, the abrasive particle in this container is try to flow from this point to this point, and because of that, velocity of that abrasive particle, it enter into this pipe, delivery pipe, and it's reached to the nozzle, and here the pressurized abrasive particle, when enter into the nozzle, the pressure is dropped and velocity is increased, and this increased velocity abrasive particle, when impinges on the workpiece, the material is. So in this way this machine works. So here basically the cutting is take place because of the abrasive hit to the workpiece, and this action is called mechanical abrasion. Generally we take a tip distance, that is distance between nozzle to work is 1.5 to 15 mm. Advantages and limitation of AGM. Because AGM is cool machining process, it is best suited for machining brittle and heat sensitive materials like glass, quartz, sapphire and ceramics. Limitations: the removal rate is low. Stray cutting can be avoided. Low accuracy of 0.1 mm. The tapering effect may occur especially when the drilling in metals. The abrasive may get embedded in the work surface. It means that abrasive particle can stick to the workpiece material. Suitable dust collecting system should be provided. Soft material can be machined by the process. Silica dust may be health hazard. If we use a silica as an abrasive, that dust is unhealthy for human being. Where we use this machine, the first one is drilling holes, cutting slot, cleaning hard surfaces, deburring and polishing. So we can use this machine for drilling holes, cutting slot, cleaning hard surfaces, deburring and polishing also. Deburring of crosshole, slots and threads is small precision part that require a burr-free finish, such as hydraulic valves, aircraft fuel systems and medical appliances. So basically we use this machine for deburring of so many particles where burr-free surface is required. Machining intricate shapes or hole in sensitive, brittle, thin or difficult to machine materials. Insulation, stripping and wire cleaning without affecting the conductor. Micro deburring of hypodermic needles. Frosting glass and trimming of circuit boards, hybrid circuit resistors, capacitors, silicon and gallium. So basically this machine is used for cut the delicate parts, which is not possible with the other conventional machining processes, and which the material which are heat sensitive, and because of this non-conventional or conventional process, they are not able to cut. So such material can be cut on AGM. Removal of films and delicate cleaning of irregular surfaces, because of the abrasive stream is able to flow counters. Thank you for watching this video.